Hello friends, so today we are solving print bracket number. In this question, what we have given a string str, the task is to find the bracket number. For example, for each bracket in str, return I if the bracket on the ith position, opening or closing bracket to appear in a string. Okay, so we will see one example like how it is happening. Let's say we have that str that is equal to bracket a b d c, and what we have next p d e and then bracket close. What it is saying, we have to print its opening and closing position. We that is the ith. Okay, that is the first opening, that is the second opening, and you at this point we have the closing of the second opening. The bracket is closed for the second opening, so we need to add second here, and then what we are seeing that we also have one closing for that first one, so we need to add that first. That it is the third opening bracket now, so we need to add third, and on its third closing we need to add that third, so that string will be looked like, or we can say vector will be look like this: 1 2 2 1 3 and 3. You can see that we also have that given answer, and we also have at here. Okay, so in the second example you can see that if I will went through this is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what we have, it is in the first opening, first, it is a second opening, second, it is a third opening, third, it is a fourth opening, that one, fourth, it is the fourth closing. You can say that the first closing will be the corresponding ith opening. Okay, it's a fourth opening, so we need to print that fourth, and it is the fifth opening. Okay, let's say if we make one stack now, that stack. Okay, so how we can attempt this question? We need to print that array. So what we will do, we will make one stack, make the count of stack, and its count will be I equal to 0. Okay, when we get this index, what we will do, we will add that I plus plus, and we will store in our stack. Okay, let's say we are moving at this position, we find this opening bracket, we will take it to 1, we will add 1 here. Okay, we will, if we are getting this opening bracket now, if we are getting this opening bracket, okay, if the ith index is that opening bracket, what we will do, we will increment that ith and will push it here in the stack. And if we are getting this closing bracket, what we will do, because that opening bracket is nothing but bracket will close first, that recent one now, the bracket which came earlier, just before, now that will closely first. Okay, so what we will do, we will take what we will do, we will take the index of this, like the topmost value we post into the stack, we take it out. Let's say it is 4, so we will add 4 in our vector answer. Okay, and we will do first became empty, and we are getting this close bracket. Okay, I hope this concept is pretty clear to you, and now we will see this in code, like how we will gonna to approach this question. So what I will do, I need to print answer. I will make one vector int answer. and I will also make one stack int st. Now I need to traverse over the st. We are using for loop for int I equal to 0, I is less than str dot size I plus plus. What we will do, we will check if str of equal to 0 counter if str of I equal to that closing bracket, and what we will do, we will increment that j plus plus st dot push j and vector dot push back j. Now if we are else if str of I that is equal to closing bracket, now we will add this kind of stuff here as the dot push back. We need to add that vector dot push back st dot top. Now I will pop that element st dot pop, and if we are outside this loop, we will return the result, return answer. Like I'm using VEC, return VEC vector. I just need to add that minor change to declare that answer to VEC. Now we are trying to see write this code vector int vector stack st int is equal to 0. We are running this for loop for int I equal to 0, I is less than str dot size I plus plus. If str is equal to opening bracket, we will increment that j counter, change variable, and we will push it into the stack, and then after we will push it into the vector. And if we are getting this close bracket, we will add that top element of that stack and we will pop that top element. Now if we are outside the bracket, we are returning the result vector that is nothing but that is equal to VEC. I will compile this code. Is it running fine or not? I will check it. If it is throw some error, we will figure out what we need to add. Okay, so it is running fine. If you have any doubt, any confusion, you can put it in a comment. Thank you so much.